What's up, guys? Today just got my Ashthorpe acoustic electric guitar. This is a company that is they've taken over R.W. Jameson, and I gotta say, this is not a kid's guitar, and for the price you cannot go wrong. Did a lot of reviews. I've been looking for an electric acoustic a long time, and I was looking for one with a cutaway. This one has it, and it's left-handed. And when Ashthorpe took over, they actually, and I'll get a shot of it later on, but they replaced the electronics. So we have bass, middle, treb, and presence. Also a battery check with a volume. So I guess we'll start off with the dimensions. First off, it's no laminate. It's spruce top, and it's made out of basswood, and the fretboard I'm pretty sure is basswood. The nut is plastic. The only real problem, and the strings that are on it that come with it, they give you an extra set too, are phosphorus bronze, which I really like. They sound good. I'm gonna, after I do a setup on it, maybe I'll use some Diodarios on it. Yeah, but for now, this is fine. I didn't find any fret sprout. It does have binding all the way around, front and back. We'll get to that in a minute. And getting back to what I said, is the tuners is the only thing I really don't like. They're die cast, feel real cheap, and I don't like it. This is right out of the box, tuned it up, and fretting at the first fret and the last fret, and right here at the 8th fret seemed good. I mean, I didn't really have to do anything with it except tune it up. So that makes me happy. The finish, if you can see, they're buffing it. It's not a big deal. They didn't buff it out perfectly, but for $87.99 shipped through Amazon, really great. This is the left-handed. The right-handed is $10 more, so that's $99. And there is the stickers. C86 is the left hand, and it's the exact same thing as the C85. Down here at the bridge, this is wood. Some people were saying it's plastic. It's not. It's wood, which is really nice. We have a strap on the very bottom, and I seen some people say that this is wrong, and no, it is not wrong. The strap button right there is where it should be, on the bottom, not on the top, because when you put the strap on, it wraps under and then it comes up this side, which prevents your strap from coming off. So I like that a lot. The body dimensions, length is 19 and a quarter, 19 and 3/4, 19 and a half, something like that. The depth, you get a shot of the depth here. You're at 3 1/4 inches there. The width of the body is 16 inches. So it's a full-size guitar, only it's Thinline. And we'll take a look at what the back looks like. And again, the finish is not A1, but the finish doesn't make sound. It's all about the sound. So I really don't have a complaint about the finish. The only thing is I don't like the tuners. So there's the electronics. We got the volume, you got bass, middle, treble, presence, and then we have battery check. It does come with a battery. Just to note that it does have cellophane on it, so you're gonna have to remove that. This you just pull down on this little piece here. Battery comes out as so, and to get the battery out, all you do is just push it out, put it in, and then it snaps back in there. So I'm not sure if I mentioned when R.W. Jameson made this guitar, because Ashthorpe bought them out, there was only a 2-band equalizer on the electronics, and they upgraded that. The other thing, in case you don't know, is you can play this guitar without an amplifier, or you can play it with an amplifier. There's your 1/4-inch jack right there. So you can plug into any amp also. It's marketed as a beginner guitar, but I've seen people do gigs with it. It has very nice sound. Just pick. And we're gonna hook it up and strum some chords, pick some notes. But the overview, like I said, it really impressed me for the price, and a lot of people like this. It's also very light. Very light. Really, really nice. And you know, here's just like a little blemish. They buffed through that there, and right there. I'm not even sure if the camera's gonna pick up. There's a little blemish here, but man, for the money, you know, I'm not complaining. All right, so don't got the amp on yet. Figured just go through some open chords. Turn the amp on, clean channel, got the volume about 1 o'clock. Bass is pretty much maxed, and got the mid just a little past flat, presence a little bit bumped up about 3/4 of the way, and treble just a little above the mid-range, middle. That sounds pretty nice. I'm going to dial the volume back down to about 11. Oh, we're dry. Let's put some reverb and delay on. See what that sounds like. Alright, so put some chorus on. The battery died there a minute. See what that sounds like. Nice, I like it. Let's put it on the crunch channel. Turn the volume down here on this. Yeah, baby, AC/DC, huh? Pretty nice. I like that. So anyway, if you're in the market for an electric acoustic that's really affordable, that sounds great, check this one out. By no means, just because, you know, the price is cheap, means it's cheap. It competes with, you know, $300-400 Ibanez and such guitars.